In today's video, we're gonna talk about Fiverr search tags. Fiverr search tags are keywords that help customers to find your gig when they search for specific service on the platform. When you create a gig, you will be prompted to add search tags that are relevant to your gig. Here are some tips for creating effective search tags. Specific keywords. Use specific keywords that relate to your gig rather than general terms. Long tail keywords are the most specific phrases that are more likely to be used by customers searching for a specific service that you offer. Use related keywords that are related to your gig but not included in the gig title or description. Using synonyms for the main keywords in your gig. This will increase the chance of your gig appearing in research results for related keywords. Keep it relevant. Only use tags that are relevant to your gig. Using irrelevant tags can decrease the visibility of your gig. Fiverr's platform will suggest tags based on your gig's title and description. You can use suggestions to optimize your tags. Test and optimize. Test different tags and see which ones drive more traffic to your gig, then optimize accordingly. It's important to use relevant and specific search tags as they will increase the visibility of your gig in search results and make it more likely that customers will find your services.